Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a question from a viewer that has to do with the high dynamic range displays or HDR displays. For example, the display I'm using right now is capable of HDR. So if I go to the settings and I go to System and click Display, I have a toggle switch that is for HDR. So I can also click here and go see more of the options behind the HDR capabilities. So I can turn it on or off. And the question is, should I leave it on? Should I turn it on? When should I use it? So here's the thing. Item dynamic range is good for fast action moving pictures in video games or in movies. And they have to be specific to HDR, meaning that if you have a video game you're playing, look at the information on the game. Can it use high dynamic range displays? If yes, then you have an advantage to turn it on because it will improve the deepness of the colors and the clarity of the pictures on a HDR display. Now, if you're not playing any games and you're not watching videos, you're just surfing the web, looking at, the desktop, looking at text in the settings app, anything that is just static looking text and pictures like your desktop wallpaper, HDR is not really good for that. It often blurs the text display, and sometimes even in static images like your wallpaper, colors will be like faded a little bit. So it's really not meant to be used on a static environment. So HDR on for games that use it, or if you have movies that use it. But for the rest, HDR should technically stay off most of the time for what we do on a PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.